Hey guys, welcome back to Code in Motion. Today we're looking at LeetCode problem number 121, best time to buy and sell stock. So we're given an array of prices where prices I is the price of the given stock on the ith day. We want to maximize the profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. We must return back the maximum profit, and if we can't make any profit, we return back 0. So if we look at this example over here, the maximum profit we can make is $5 by buying the stock for $1 on the second day and then selling the stock for $6 on the fifth day, making $5 of profit. Before we start the algorithm, there's two important variables that we need to keep track of. The first is the maximum profit. Obviously, we need to keep track of this to return the final result, and so we'll be updating the maximum profit throughout the algorithm. The next is the buy price. In order to sell a stock for a profit, I need to know what's my buy price of the stock. So we're going to initialize this to infinity when we first start the algorithm, just so we update it at the first element. And you'll see how that works shortly. So we're going to start at 7 with the index I, and we're going to ask ourselves, is 7 less than the buy price? This is why we initialize it to infinity, so that the first element is always less than the buy price. In this case, $7 is less than infinity. Instead of buying it for infinity, we should buy it for $7, right? So let's update the buy price to be $7 now. After this, we move on to the next index. Is $1 less than the current buy price, which is $7? It is. So in this case, does it make sense to sell the stock? Would I ever want to buy a stock for $7 and sell it for $1? No, because I'd be losing -$6. So in this case, anytime we find a smaller element than our previous buy price, we want to update the buy price. Why would I buy it at $7 if I could buy it at $1? So in this case, let's update the buy price again to be $1. And we're not updating our max profit yet because we haven't sold anything. We're just updating the buy price at which we should buy it at. Now we just move along to the next index, which is 5. In this case, is 5 less than my buy price? No, it's not. So I could actually make a profit over here. My buy price is $1. We could sell it at $5, and so I can make a profit of $4 today, right? Now we're going to update the maximum price. Is $4 greater than my current max profit? It is, because I could only make $0 up until now. So I'm going to update max profit to be $4. Now we move along to element number 3. So is 3 less than the buy price? No, it's not. Once again, I could make a profit at this day, right? I could sell it for $2 profit. I have a buy price of $1. I could sell it for $3, and there's my $2 profit. Now, should I update my maximum profit? Well, no, because $4 is greater than 2, so we don't update the maximum profit. We move along to element number 6. Is 6 less than my buy price? Yes, it is. So we can make a $5 profit. Is $5 more than my maximum profit? It is. So in this case, I'm going to update the maximum profit to $5. Now I move on to element 4. 4 is less than the buy price, so we could make a profit of $3. However, $3 is not greater than $5, and so we do not update the maximum profit. And in this case, our final result is $5, and this algorithm runs in O of n time and O of 1 space complexity because we iterate through the array once, and we only keep track of 2 variables, the maximum profit and the buy price. All right, so let's get started with the coding implementation. The first thing we're going to do is initialize our variables. So we have 2 of them in this case. We have the price to buy, which is infinity, and then we have the max profit, which is 0. Now, for every price in the prices array, if the current price is less than the price to buy, then we simply update the price to buy. Else, now we have the ability to make a profit. So our max profit is equal to the max between max profit and the current profit that we can make. In this case, the price minus the price to buy. And then we simply return our max profit, and let's run the algorithm. And there we have it. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in more LeetCode style videos, be sure to subscribe and comment down below. Thank you so much.